Arduino or Raspberry Pi? Which one should you pick for your next project? Engineers argue about this constantly. In this video, you will know exactly which one to use and why in under 3 minutes. Let us start with what each one actually is. The Arduino, specifically the Arduino Uno, is a microcontroller board. It runs one program repeatedly in a simple loop. There is no operating system, no desktop, no multitasking, just your code running directly on the hardware. The Raspberry Pi, the Pi 5, is a single board computer. It runs a full Linux operating system. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB ports, and can even connect to a monitor and keyboard like a desktop PC. Here is the most important difference, and the one most beginners get wrong. Arduino responds to the physical world in real time. When you tell it to read a sensor or fire a motor, it does it in microseconds. There is no delay from an operating system getting in the way. Raspberry Pi runs Linux. Linux is not a real-time system. If the CPU is busy doing something else, updating a process, managing memory, your signal can be delayed by milliseconds. In most projects, that is fine, but for precision motor control, high-speed sensing, or safety-critical timing, that delay is a problem. But where Raspberry Pi wins completely is processing power and connectivity. Arduino Uno has 32 kilobytes of flash memory and runs at 16 megahertz. It cannot run Python. It cannot connect to a web server. It cannot process camera images. Raspberry Pi 5 has up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and runs a 2.4 gigahertz quad-core, 64-bit ARM Cortex-A76 processor, making it 2 to 3 times faster than its predecessor. It runs Python, OpenCV, TensorFlow, and full web applications with ease. It also includes dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, a PCIe 2.0 interface for high-speed peripherals, and dual 4K 60 frames per second HDMI output. If your project needs image recognition, a user interface, cloud connectivity, or machine learning, Raspberry Pi 5 is the right tool. So here is the simple rule. Choose Arduino when your project needs to directly control hardware, motors, sensors, LEDs, relays, with precise timing. Arduino is also better for battery-powered devices because it uses far less power. A simple Arduino project can run for weeks on 2 AA batteries. Choose Raspberry Pi when your project needs internet connectivity, a screen, a camera, data logging, or any kind of software that is too complex to write in the Arduino environment. And here is the expert answer. Use both together. Many professional Mechatronics systems use a Raspberry Pi as the brain, handling user interface, data, and wireless communication, while an Arduino handles the low-level, real-time sensor and actuator control. They communicate over a serial connection. This is exactly how many industrial robots and smart machines are designed. Arduino is your real-time hardware controller. Raspberry Pi is your mini-computer. When in doubt, use both. If this helped you, subscribe for weekly engineering tutorials, and check the description for the simulation file. See you in the next video.